Hello everyone, let's try to solve this particular question which came in recent paper JEE in 2026. Okay, so here they are asking simply the rate of reactivity, order of rate of reactivity. Okay, it follows SN1 reaction. What exactly SN1? Nucleophilic substitution reaction, right? Unimolecular. And here the rate is simply directly proportional to the stability of carbocation. That's how, like, we just need to make a carbocation and then we need to compare which carbocation is more stable. So simply here they are asking indirectly the order of, I mean stability of carbocation. Okay, so here what happens in SN1, that it is a two-step reaction. First it will form a carbocation and then nucleophile attack takes place, है ना? So we just need to see the stability of carbocation now in this particular question. So now what you'll do, first step is this bromine will leave as a leaving group and it will form a carbocation over here. I'm just writing it directly. Okay, this will leave and it will form a carbocation over here on this carbon, and this will leave and here it forms a carbocation, and this will leave, here it forms a carbocation. This shown like this. Okay, and here pH means phenyl group, matlab benzene groups. Okay, so here after just observing these structures, these two are highly unstable, right? As you know, carbocation on the bridgehead carbon will be highly unstable, Hana. So these two anyways comes at the end. Like, you can simply check the options and you can eliminate wherever these two compounds first before this. Okay, so here this stability of this carbocation is more because there are three phenyl groups, right? This is basically triphenyl methyl carbocation. Okay, there are three phenyl groups. There is an extensive, like, resonance is there, right? Like you can see here. I'm just drawing it with one, like phenyl group. Here, due to resonance, this carbocation is getting stabilized, है ना? Here I've just drawn only one benzene. Here there are three benzene, so that's why it is getting more stable. That's why the stability of this carbocation is really high. So this will come first, है ना? Rate of reactivity will be greater for this fourth one, and the next one will come anyway. These two comes before these two, hana. So this one is here, simply this is a tertiary carbocation. Generally tertiary carbocation is stable due to plus I and plus m. I mean, there won't be plus m effect, hyperconjugation will be there over here. Through these two effects, this carbocation is getting stabilized, hana. So next third will come, and the next one we need to compare these two. That's where confusion starts. Maybe I haven't added the options, but in options they might have given like, these two, I mean reverse the order of these two. That's where people get confused and they might tick wrong answer. Okay, do you need to conclude which is having, which carbocation is more stable means, see here this one, the name of this thing, how can you write the name of this particular compound? This is bicyclo 2 comma 2, 2 to 1. Only one carbon is there here, two carbons like that, and overall it is heptane, right? So that's how we can write. And this is as compared to this carbon, I mean as compared to this structure, this structure is a bit rigid, right? That's why it will be having even more strain. This will be even more strained. That's why the carbocation is highly unstable. Okay, and here this carbocation is better as compared to this thing, as compared to this compound. This will be better somewhat because it is having like large structure, or you can say this is slightly larger than this. That's why this will come first, and this is this carbocation is slightly better than this. I mean, it gets stabilized slightly better than this. That's why first one will come and then second. Due to its rigid structure, this carbocation is really unstable. Okay, so this is how you need to conclude among these two. I hope you know this thing. The carbocation which is on bridgehead carbon is really unstable, and the rule, Brett's rule or something will be there, right? So I hope you know all those things. And this is a bit easy question, but people might get confused over these two structures, I think. Hannah? Okay. So yeah, that's it. That's it for this particular video, and I'll be creating more videos on JEE main previous year questions and also topics. If you are like, I like, why am I creating previous year questions of on JEE 2026 means, which will be helpful for your next attempt also, Hannah. So that's why I'm just trying to create. And if you have any doubt in this particular question or any topic, you just let me know in the comment section. I would love to help you. We will discuss even more questions in upcoming videos, and I'll be coming up with the different questions. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this particular video, and take care of yourself and be kind. Bye.